What's going on, everyone? Justin Tech here, and today I've got some Philips Hue announcements that are going to light up your world. Literally, they're gonna light up. Philips Hue has announced 3 new products, some of which have been highly asked for a while now. There were some leaks a week ago, but there is one product also that is hot off the press, so let's go. First, we've got the Amarant, I hope I'm saying that right, linear wall wash light. This bar of light will splash your outdoor walls with light. The light is intensified with its metal shield that helps contain and concentrate the light onto your walls. Compared to the lilies that we put out all over the Palm Springs smart home, I think that this is gonna shine way better and way more full, and I'm really excited to try them out. Just like the other outdoor lights, it's easy to install and extend with more fixtures in your outdoor space. They have a maximum output of 20 watts, meaning you'll be able to connect 2 to the smaller power supply that's 40 watts or up to 5 with the 100-watt power supply. I bet you can even use these inside as well, so I'm totally gonna try that out when I review it. This light releases in early March and goes for $169. Next, we've got a new dimmer switch. Not too much to talk about here, but it's now only 3 buttons instead of 4. The middle button, which is meant for dimming, seems to be a rocker now. The new switch goes for $24.99, and that is also coming in early March. Lastly, Philips Hue has announced a product that we have all been waiting for, the Philips Hue wall switch module. So I'm sure many of you have wall switches that are either connected to outlets or fixtures in the ceiling that literally turn off the lights and you can't access the Hue bulbs when they're used. So you have to always tell your friends, don't touch those switches. Well, this fixes that. You can install this in a wall switch so that the switches don't actually turn off the power from switches. It turns off Hue lights through the Hue system. Just to be clear, this switch won't turn everyday lights into Philips Hue. What it does is it turns your everyday switches into Philips Hue controllable switches. So it can control the Philips Hue lights that it normally would just take power from. Additionally, you'll be able to select scenes and customize the switch right from the Hue app. This switch is battery operated and will last at least 5 years. The module will come in a 1-pack for $39.99 or a 2-pack for $69.99 and is coming to North America this summer. For my European friends, it looks like you're gonna get this a little sooner, and that's gonna be in the spring. I am so excited for this tech, and I cannot wait to show it off on my channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, you should totally give it a like, and let me know in the comments which ones you're excited about and how you're gonna implement them into your home. I come out with tech reviews and smart home videos every Thursday morning, so you should totally subscribe to this channel. And sometimes there's videos that come out spontaneously, like this one, so click that bell for alerts if you want to get notified as soon as it drops. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.